You're not alone if you're uncomfortable asking people to do things for you. For example, if you make a YouTube video, you might feel like you need to ask people to subscribe to your channel, but it can feel awkward. What some people do is they say, well, I'm not going to ask. I'm just going to give a great video and hope people subscribe. That can work sometimes, but you may be losing out on a lot of opportunity as well. Others say, okay, I'll do it, but in a soft sell way. They'll start their presentation and say, by the way, please subscribe to the channel, and then quickly move on. But they're not giving the person any reason to subscribe. Now, a better technique is you deliver some value in your presentation and then say, hey, if you're getting any value out of this video, please click subscribe. An even more powerful way is to tie in what you want with what other people want, what your viewer wants in this case. So if I'm doing it, I might say, if you would like to become an even stronger communicator, then please smash the subscribe button right now. That's a technique. Other people go another level. They may try to pull on your heartstrings. Please subscribe to my channel so I'll make more money to put my daughter through college. Here's Rosa. She really would like to go to college. Now, that works effectively if you're doing it with a twinkle in your eye and it seems like you're kind of joking and you're not being overtly manipulative. That's not anything I would ever do, of course. So trying to use a little humor. Another notch up is begging. Saying, look, I just beg you, please, whatever you do, please, 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 subscribe to my channel. I'm not comfortable with that, but it is a technique some people use. The next technique is combining begging with humor. Some people will say, please, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. But hey, if you haven't yet subscribed, I would love for you to do so. Thanks.